VOW to VOGEL episode 2. I'm so excited to get into this series. I know I've already said that like a billion times, but I just think it's gonna be great. And it just so happens that we have our second meeting today at the venue we're getting married at, and I'm just super pumped. Chris is coming, Chris's mom is coming, my mom's coming, and yeah, I think it's actually gonna be the first time Chris's mom has seen it, and Chris wasn't able to come to the last meeting, so I'm really excited. I'm hoping we can finalize a lot of the other details today. My mom's doing all of the decorations, so I know she needed some extra dimensions for like where we're gonna do the photo wall or the photo booth wall. I don't know. We're gonna figure stuff out today. I did put myself together. I have a meeting that I have to leave for in a couple minutes, and then my mom and I are gonna drive down to the meeting together. I wasn't able to work out this morning because I was up editing the YouTube video and making the thumbnail and making sure everything was ready to go. So I think we'll probably wait till Chris gets home and work out with him later. I think we're both doing back and biceps today. And then if we work out together, 1, I get to hang out with him, and 2, he can help me record. Bowmar bar for the road. Duh. The actual venue that we're getting married in, but the venue or the place that we're using has 3 separate venues. This is the original one that Chris and I actually really wanted, but after seeing it we wanted some more space and we liked the other one better. But look at how pretty. The tent? Hello.
Hi. Oh, sorry. Made yet or not yet?
Not yet, but we're gonna put directions on there as well.
Whenever you have those made, just email me one, just because we like to keep it on file and make sure everything's ready, right?
Okay.
We've had people put like High Street instead of 4th Street.
Oh yeah.
So Cal, so for here, we have the guest book and then the frame.
And we'll take this thing off.
Either the lantern and candles could go over here, or maybe the lantern candles on both sides with the frame, and so you just have to say how you want it. I'm gonna take a picture of this.
Yeah, I was gonna say take a picture and we can figure it out at home.
Like contour.
ended up getting home from that meeting at like 2, I think, and then I worked on my computer for a little bit and was absolutely exhausted because I woke up so early to edit the video. But Chris and I are going to lift in probably like 45 minutes to an hour, so I'm hungry, and I actually have quite a lot of macros left, but I don't want to go into the gym like stuffed because then I just won't get a good workout. So I have 2 rice cakes. They don't look pretty because our rice cakes fell and broke, hence the weird shapes. And then I used 1 serving of hummus and a tuna packet. Doesn't look the best, but it's actually very good. No.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need right here. Make me sing along. Sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here. Moonlight on your naked skin, summer's blind us to give in. Where you wanna go, where you wanna go. Stars align onto your face, pretty sweet your sour taste. Make me sing along, sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here. Sharing all your deepest dreams, wonder what they really mean, yeah. In the empty bottle lies all the answers. Write down all your memories, feel the things you wanna feel, yeah. In the empty bottle lies all the answers. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here.
That is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed seeing like our venue. The one we were originally in, I told you that's not the one we're getting married in, but the one that had the 2 split floors, that is the one we are getting married in. Very excited. Everyone so far has absolutely loved it. Not that that really matters, as long as we love it. We're good. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the little bell notification so you get notified whenever I post. Coming up here soon, we are going to send out all of our bridal shower invitations, so I will make sure to take you guys along through that. There's just lots of wedding stuff coming up because we're really not that far away from it, which is crazy to me. It just sneaks up on you.
Did you say bye?
Okay, rude.